Alright, YouTube, what's up? I'm in the dark with the lights on. I know it's weird, but I like being in the dark, making my vlogs, vloggity vlog, because it just makes me happy like that. So, what I want to talk about is like, I'm working out now. I'm lifting weights. I'm lifting the dumbbells. You don't see me, you see me. But yo, what else? Lifting dumbbells, that's what I'm doing. And I'm drinking smoothies and I'm drinking protein shake. I'm drinking protein shakes that I'm drinking. And, I'm using this flstudio21 doll. Everybody's favorite, most favorite doll in the world. But to be honest, I think I'm the only one using it where I'm where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? So it's like when I'm making my beats, I'm making them like sad or happy type beats using these same stock sounds I'm using. That's what I've been up to. So that's why I'm doing that for the rest of my life. I made my mind up. I like that's my decision I made. And I'm gonna keep on making sad or happy type beats. Because when I listen to my beats, I feel like Jay-Z when I freestyle to my beats. The younger Jay-Z, you know what I'm saying? So the simple Jay-Z, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I grew up listening to, like Jay-Z before Kanye West. I was just listening to Jay-Z. Before all these other rappers, I was just listening to Jay-Z. Like Timberland with the beats, you know what I'm saying? I'm like Timberland and Jay-Z collaboration when the magic was happening back in the day. When I was back in the day when I wasn't watching YouTube, I was always listening to the radio, watching TV. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have anything to make beats with, but I always had FL Studio 8. I didn't know what to do. I had an idea on how to make beats, but I didn't know how to use FL Studio 8 when that first came out, using the stock sounds that I didn't know now. I know it now, but back then I didn't know. But now I'm all older now and I like trying to get my trying to get my story straight. But now I know. That's what I'm saying. So I be sitting in front of my computer just like making a hit. and I write a freestyle to it. It might be a song. I know I gotta write tons of freestyles to actually make a rap song. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. It's what I do. I don't care. Like when the beat is done, I'm putting it out so I could like write a freestyle to it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's what I be doing all day, every day for the rest of my life, making these same type beats because it's what I want to do forever. And if you don't like it, oh well. Woo! 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 Yeah.